How can I prevent my ISP from tracking my web history?
Welcome to this video on how to prevent your Internet Service Provider, ISP, from tracking your web history. Many people are concerned about their online privacy and want to ensure that their browsing activities remain private. In this video, we will explore some effective measures you can take to protect your privacy and prevent your ISP from tracking your web history.
Virtual Private Network, VPN.
One of the most powerful tools to safeguard your online privacy is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it difficult for your ISP to track your online activities. When you use a VPN, your web traffic is routed through a secure server before reaching its destination, effectively masking your IP address and making it challenging for your ISP to monitor your browsing habits. It's important to choose a reliable and trustworthy VPN service. Look for a VPN that offers strong encryption protocols, a strict no-logs policy, and a wide range of server locations. By using a VPN, you can anonymize your internet connection and protect your web history from your ISP.
Encrypted DNS.
In addition to using a VPN, you can further enhance your privacy by configuring your device to use an encrypted domain name system, DNS. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses and is often used by ISPs to track your web browsing activity. By encrypting your DNS queries, you can prevent your ISP from easily monitoring the websites you visit. There are several encrypted DNS providers available, such as Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1, Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8, or OpenDNS 208.67.222.222. You can manually configure your device or router to use these encrypted DNS services, or you can use software or apps that automate the process.
HTTPS everywhere and privacy-focused browsers.
To further protect your online privacy, it's essential to prioritize websites that use secure HTTPS connections. HTTPS encrypts the data transmitted between your device and the website, making it harder for your ISP to track your web history. You can use browser extensions like HTTPS Everywhere that automatically redirect you to the secure HTTPS version of a website whenever available. In addition to using HTTPS Everywhere, consider using privacy-focused browsers that prioritize user privacy and security. Popular options include Mozilla Firefox, Brave, or Tor browser. These browsers often come with built-in privacy features and offer better protection against tracking by your ISP.
Clearing cookies and using private browsing mode.
Cookies are small text files that websites store on your computer to remember your preferences and track your online activities. By regularly clearing your cookies or using private browsing mode, you can reduce the amount of information available for your ISP to track. Private browsing mode, available in most web browsers, prevents the storage of browsing history, cookies, and temporary files. It's important to note that while clearing cookies and using private browsing mode can help protect your privacy from your ISP, it doesn't make you completely anonymous online. Other tracking techniques, such as device fingerprinting or IP address tracking, can still be used to identify your online activities. Protecting your online privacy and preventing your ISP from tracking your web history is crucial in today's digital age. By implementing the measures we discussed in this video, such as using a VPN, encrypted DNS, HTTPS Everywhere, privacy-focused browsers, and clearing cookies, you can significantly enhance your online privacy and enjoy a more secure browsing experience. Remember, maintaining your privacy is an ongoing process, and it's important to stay informed about the latest privacy tools and practices. By taking control of your online privacy,